Hello beautiful people, welcome back to Mr.laowai-English Tech. Today I have got this Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus. So today we are going to showcasing the most amazing smartphone, the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus. It's available at a reasonable price and it's loaded with groundbreaking features and some serious upgrades. Equipped with 200 megapixel camera, it also offers water resistance that allowing you to play in the water without any worries, with a tag price of 2000 RMB, which could be like $273. Offering all these phenomenal features, it had everyone thrilled at the launch of the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus when they told us the price with this smartphone. So buckle up, grab a snack, and let's jump right into explore the marvels of this device.
Let's talk about build. The Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus isn't just a pretty face, it's tough too. The fox leather texture and dual tone design on the rear panel give it a stylish and premium feel. It's encased in a robust frame designed to endure everyday use. Whatever it's the SIM card slot and high quality speaker or the handy IR blaster, every aspect of this device is crafted with precision and care. As I said, it's tough too. It's got an IP68 rating, making it resistant to dust and water. Xiaomi has put it through 56 different flagship durability tests, and guess what? It eggs them all. However, it does leave us wondering about the extent of its aquatic resilience. Just how long and how deep can it go? But I have come across some water testing videos for the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus, and it seems this smartphone can survive in water for quite a long time. So some people are wondering what we can find inside its box. On the top layer we have some documentation and a nice black case for its protection. Next we find the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus itself, and finally there is a 120-watt fast charger and a Type A to Type C data cable. So let's kick things off with the display. The Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus is flaunting a curved AMOLED 6.67-inch display with a 1.5K resolution. Yep, you heard it right, 1.5K. It's the first in Redmi's lineup and it's crispy. And to protect this beautiful display, it comes shielded with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus, known for its superior durability and scratch resistance. And here's the kicker, this display is super user-friendly. It even works flawlessly with wet fingers. And if you ever have the misfortune of breaking it, don't sweat it. You can get it replaced for just 450 Chinese yuan with a 120Hz refresh rate and 1800 nits peak brightness. That's low, I know. This 1.5K display is not just stunning but also gentle to the eyes, making every image vibrant and smooth. It even supports HDR10+ and Dolby Vision, giving you that mini cinema experience right in your hand. Let's talk about the battery. This phone has a big 5000 mAh battery, so you can use it for more than a day once it's fully charged. And here's the cool part, it supports a 120-watt fast charging. That means you can charge it to 100% in about 20 minutes. So you won't have to sit around waiting for your phone to charge up anymore. Okay, under the hood, the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus is rocking the first ever MediaTek Dimensity 7200 Ultra processor. Whether you are gaming or multitasking, this device is up to the task. It says smooth, efficient and cool thanks to the 4000 mm2 VC cooling liquid system, and it boasts an impressive AnTuTu score of 8 million. Showcasing its powerful capabilities, it comes with Google Play configurations, meaning you can run Google Play services just fine if you install them. What's more important is that the device packs LPDDR5 RAM and UFS 3.1 storage. It runs Android 13 based MIUI 14 out of the box. For those who really love photography, the Redmi Note 13 Pro has a super powerful camera system that sets new standards. It has a really impressive display and is built very well. One of its cool features is the HP3 sensor from Samsung. This is the main camera on the back of the phone and it's 200 megapixel. This means it can take really impressive pictures even if the lighting isn't great. There are also other cameras on the back, an 8 megapixel one for ultra wide shots and a 2 megapixel one for macro or close-up shots. Xiaomi has added some smart tag to make the pictures you take look even better. The large sensor can take in a lot of light, so your nighttime pictures should look great too. And thanks to OIS, your photos and videos will be super stable even if you are moving around a bit when you take them. There's also an in-sensor zoom for pictures at different focal length and a really cool 4x optical zoom that doesn't lose any detail. And of course, there's also 16 megapixel front camera for all your selfie needs. I'm recording a video from front camera which is 16 megapixel on 1080p 30 fps. It does not support 4K 30 fps or 60 fps. It only comes with 720 30 fps, 60 fps and 1080 30 fps and 60 fps. So yeah, this is the result from front camera. Yeah, let me show you when you are running while recording from front camera. So yeah, this is the result. Now I'm filming from back camera which is 200 megapixel on 4K 30 fps. When you wanted to filming from back camera ultra wide, it does not support 4K. It only support 1080 30 fps or 60 fps. So this is 4K and this is 1x now. This is 2.3x. This is 6x. So you can zoom till 6x. Okay, and zoom out. This is zoom out 1x, not ultra wide. Okay, nice. How about vlogging? You can do vlogging. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about this camera, 200 megapixel.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace.
So how much does this stack marvel cost? The starting price is 2000 RMB, roughly $273. The high-end variant will set you back 2300 RMB, around $314. Currently it's available in China, but we are expecting it to roll out globally soon, so stay tuned for updates. To wrap things up, the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus is a fantastic mid-range device with some flagship-grade specs. It's got a stunning display, superior build quality, a powerful camera setup, and impressive performance, all at a reasonable price. If you are looking for premium features without breaking the bank, this one's for you. Thanks for hanging out with us today on Mr.laowai-English Tech. If you enjoyed this review, please smash that like button and subscribe for more awesome tech content. And share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious and stay connected.